Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. This is just going to be a short video to show you how to use a QR code generator. This is one that I seriously just typed in QR code generator into Google and I clicked this one. So all you have to do is you enter your URL, or for this one I'm going to do a URL, but you can do text, phone information, others as well. And then you get a QR code and it seriously just pops up just like that. You can, change the sizes, whatever you want. And then you just, you click save and you can download it as a file and it'll be on your computer, and that's seriously it. It's very simple, and there are a lot of different applications and a lot of different websites that you can create QR codes with. And I think it's really just going out there and finding whichever one works best for you. A lot of them have different features, like being able to make a border or have a little logo in the center or any of that sort of thing. So just kind of have to search for what is out there. Some of them will make you have an account. Some websites will. Others will not. So yeah, hope this helped you create a QR code. Thanks for watching.